Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we'll delve into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can start with ManyChat.com. First of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage, as you can see. So what is ManyChat? So ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on mass messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, send promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So, first of all, we have here the pricing. As you can see, here we have it's for free. Get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. We have here get started, no credit card or charge card required. We have here Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and we have also here automate conversations, unlimited custom flows to engage up to 1000 contacts. Have you acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to your automation. Then we have segment your contacts, 10 customer tags. So here we have also other information like English here, the power of chat marketing, drive more sales and conversions on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. And if we scroll down, we will find also here Instagram DMs, answer every single question, comment, and story reply 7 per 24 hours to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversion on AG. Then we have WhatsApp. Use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, retrieve order information, and deliver customer support all on autopilot. Then you have your Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to fuel more sales, generate leads, automate fix, and run marketing campaigns. Then if we scroll down, we'll find here use marketing chat to drive more sales on autopilot. We have a supercharged lead generation, increase conversion rates by up to 90%, and we have automatically response to every message. We have claim back your time and slash costs, no teach experience, no worries. Then we have discover why 1 million, what 1 million brands trust ManyChat. You can just read it to more understand. So right now I will show you how you can get started. So if you have already an account, you click over sign in and enter your email address and your password, then you get started and you find your account. But if it's your first time, you have just to click over get started and you will find this page. Write your email address and your password. Then here we have some questions like what channels would you like to start with. If it is Instagram, supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation, or Facebook Messenger, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. Or we have the option of WhatsApp. Choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. Then we have here Telegram, power up your business with Telegram automation. Then we have here some questions. As you can see here, we have accounts. Now just to get started, we have my accounts here. And then you have just to follow these steps and you click over here, and you can use to connect with Meta Business Suite, and then you get started. So here we have the home page, as you can see. So you can just start right now. Here we have its product in DMS, send a product line up in Instagram DMS, or you can generate leads with stories, use limited time offers in your stories to convert leads. Then we have recognize questions in DM with EA, identify and respond to common user inquiries. So let's click for this one and we'll click over Setup Template. Once you will find this page, you click over Connect Channel. You choose, for example, Facebook, build relationships with customers, draw interactive and tailored content. You have SMS here, collect phone numbers and engage your contact via text, WhatsApp also. Use the world's most popular messaging app to chat and to engage your customers. Then you have Instagram, supercharge your Instagram marketing with messaging automation. You have Telegram, unleash the power of limitless Telegram messaging automation. So I'll click over connect here. Then you write your Instagram here and you get started. So let's come back. Once you do that, you will find this page. So here we have a new triangle here, or you have here send message. As you can see, you can just see the product. I'm so excited to have to see what I've got on offer. Then we have to tap below to check them out. I have just to click here, and we have here to add tap below to check them out. And if you're done, you click over done. And here we have also, did you have any questions about the new drop? I'm here to help. You can just add a button. You can use Instagram or other things. Then we have here, if you want to add one of the content blocks, we have here text or image or delay or data collection or more. Then you choose the next step and you get started. For example, you have Instagram, a step, perform actions, condition randomizer, smart delay, start another automation, or select existing step. This is for this one, and we have also this one, as you can see, and we have here also this one. We have perform following action, as you can see. We have also this one, and this is, we have also here live chats, and we have broadcasting. We have settings here also, my profile and other things. So this is it, how it works. So ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversation on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries and promotions, and nurture leads without needing constant manual input. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.